This is monthly chart of gold. These two resistance were made when price made all-time high after 2007 financial crisis. Last month, bearish trend was triggered when price tested these two resistance on monthly chart. So this was our horizontal resistance which you missed on intraday chart. This month candle can be correction to previous bearish trend. This month or next month, price can continue its bearish trend. Once this trend line break, price will test this lower support. On monthly chart, we are not talking about few retracement or extension tool, just support and resistance. Before we draw Fibonacci extension tool here, we have to wait clear breakout of this trend line and new lower low. This is monthly trend, so trade carefully on intraday chart. This is weekly chart. Closing of last week candle show indecision between buyers. For next week, this yellow resistance 1855 and 1848 is resistance zone. Before reaching there, price has started making indecision through candles. Above this resistance zone, we have two more resistance, and below this, we have these three support. This is daily chart. Price had made 50% retracement of this wave. Closing of these last two daily candle confirm bulls taking profit at 50% retracement and new seller taking entry. These two are resistance zone. If this resistance zone break, then next resistance zone is this red area. Before this, we have this blue trend line. This has made symmetrical triangle A, B, C, D, E. Right now we in wave E. For confirmation for this symmetrical triangle on daily chart, we have to wait retest of this upper trend line and breakout of this low. Wave E can retrace back to this upper trend line or can finish this chart pattern right here at fifth retracement. Similarly, on weekly chart, price made spinning top right at 50% retracement on daily chart, then made this intraday bearish trend. The next intraday support is 1795. After testing 1795 horizontal support, price can make higher high and retest this upper trend line. If this high does not break upcoming month, then you can expect top of wave E. For seller of this bearish trend, these two are their resistance zone. At this level, they will try to resell again. This is 1 hour time frame. Price made shooting star right at 50% retracement. Price made clear confirmation through candles on daily and H4 time frame. You can sell right at 50% retracement. If you still buy right at this top, then you are not carefully watching all of the time frame together. Before this video, we shared this entire trade plan for intraday trader on TradingView. Price was making triangle, and this was a perfect example that triangle chart pattern does not work every time. It was supposed to break upside, but it did not and made lower low. On this post, we clearly mention there is a 50% retracement of daily trend. For intraday, this was a sell trend. For buy entry, you had to wait clear breakout of this chart pattern. Then during New York session, price break this chart pattern. After breakout of this chart pattern, price now testing this lower trend line. As we mentioned last week video, price made this flat correction. This was the wave W and this was the correction for wave X, and right now we are in wave Y. For intraday trader, this low and this high are key point. Next week, price can continue uptrend after test of this trend line, and then retest 60% retracement or make double top at 50% retracement. For upcoming weeks, if price does not break this high at 50% and break this lower low, then you can expect this was the correction to previous month bearish trend. Then you can expect this was the just correction to monthly trend. Bearish monthly trend has made its 50% retracement right here. Now price is ready to make a new lower low, which will be confirmed by breakout of this low support at 1790. These are Fibonacci retracement for daily bearish trend, priced at 38% retracement, where you can make profit as a intraday trade. Then again it tests 50% retracement. If you did nothing, just sell 50% retracement and 38% retracement for intraday, you can make money. If you do not know there is a fib retracement for daily trend, then you can never know why price made high at this level. Now back again on weekly chart, price has to break any of these level. Until it does not break this level, it is making correction. If it is goes up, then it will test resistance. If it goes down, then it will test support. The new trend will start when price break this high or this low. If you still have your Y entry at all-time high, then you are safe as long as price is trading above this trend line and this low. Because once these two level got broken, price will test this low or this high breaks, then there is still chance you can close those profit without loss. But you have to be careful for this support and resistance. On daily chart, it is making sideways correction. That is why it has made this potential symmetrical triangle.